What is this, day number 5 vlog? I think you can figure out what I'm doing today. Yeah, not my typical vlog. You guys will enjoy this.
Riding on that lumb, you know we got it made. Scrub paddy, gon' cut A in the way. Moto is my motivation. So gas up for that rider's anthem. We ride dog, we ride dog, we ride dog. Damn right, we riding dog. We scrubbed out, we whipped out, we pinned out. Damn right, we riding. Okay, now it's out right here in Tennessee. Catch me down at Muddy Creek, busting all those buns. Bitch, you can't do it like me. KTM on my dirt bike. Motor hoes I don't like. 2-stroke I ride. Mixing gas full light. Wind up the gate. Adrenaline pumping, I'm thinking my jumping and passing all these lanes. King of the whole shot, they call me Katrina. Get right to the front of the lane. I'm whipping and dipping and diving these corners, no brakes, I need it from me. You know I'm on my grind, cause I be out here to race. Trizzy getting never my first place. Always gonna shine on Sunday. 2-7 looking like Dunjay. Yeah, and you know about my paper, cause I be shredding cheddar like a damn she's greater. Riding on that lumb, you know we got it made. Scrub paddy, gon' cut A in the way. Moto is my motivation. So gas up for that rider's anthem. We ride dog, we ride dog, we ride dog. Damn right, we riding dog. We scrubbed out, we whipped out, we pinned out. Damn right, we riding now. Running with the guy to get a first play, can't see me. Trey Fennell, I'm undefeated. Did your boy get first? Yeah, no, don't think so. Still ride KTM till I go. 24/7, we blowing that smoke. Cause my goons ride 2-stroke, yeah. We stay flexed out for the camera. You ain't gon' catch up to me when I put the hammer down. And we block passing out of spite. And I ain't no cockbite, but I take your girlfriend on sight. And we riding down, and we riding down, we riding down, we riding down, we riding down. And we scroll down, we weird out, we bend out, damn right, we riding down. Riding on that lumb, you know we got it made. Scrub paddy, gon' cut A in the way. Moto is my motivation. So gas up for that rider's anthem.
I never thought I'd have the opportunity to do anything like what I'm doing right now. This is definitely amazing. We got the older kids, I'm gonna call us, we're having hobby kids. There's the older group, there's the older kids, there's the younger ones. There's quads, there's dirt bikes, there's all kinds of stuff. Kids of all ages. And this is the vibe. Let's get to some more flying.
King of the whole shot, they come make a cheesy girl right to the front of the lane. I'm whipping and dipping and diving these corners, no brakes, I need it from me. You know I'm on my grind, cause I be out here to race. Choose to get another man first place. Always gonna shine on Sunday. 2-7 looking like Dunjay. Yeah, and you know about my paper, cause I be shredding cheddar like a damn, she's greater. Riding on that loam, you know we got it made. Scrub paddy, gon' cut A in the way. Moto is my motivation. So gas up for the riders anthem. We ride dog, we ride dog, we ride dog. Damn right, we riding dog. We scrubbed out, we whipped out, we pinned out. Damn right, we riding now. Running with the guy to get a first play, can't see me. Trapping L, I'm undefeated. Did your boy get first? Yeah, no, don't think so. Still ride KTM till I go. 24/7, we blowing that smoke. Cause my goons ride too strong, yeah. We stay flexed out for the camera. You ain't gon' catch up to me when I put the hammer down. And we block passing out of spite. And I ain't no cockbite, but I take your girlfriend on sight. And we riding down, and we riding down, we riding down, we riding down, we riding down. And we scroll down, we weird out, we been down, damn right, we riding down. Riding on that loam, you know we got it made. Scrub paddy, gon' cut A in the way. Moto is my motivation. So gas up for that riders anthem. We ride dog, we ride dog, we ride dog. Damn right, we riding dog. We scrubbed out, we whipped out, we pinned out. Damn right, we riding. Okay, now it's out right here in Tennessee. Catch me down at Muddy Creek, busting all those buns. Bitch, you can't do it like me. KTM on my dirt bike. Motor hoes I don't like. Two-stroke I ride. Mixing gas for life. Let's wind up the gate. Adrenaline pumping, I'm thinking about jumping and passing all these lanes. King of the whole shot, they come make a cheesy girl right to the front of the lane. I'm whipping and dipping and diving these corners, no brakes, I need it from me. You know I'm on my grind, cause I be out here to race. Choose to get another man first place. Always gonna shine on Sunday. 2-7 looking like Dunjay. Yeah, and you know about my paper, cause I be shredding cheddar like a damn, she's greater. Riding on that loam, you know we got it made. Scrub paddy, gon' cut A in the way. Moto is my motivation. So gas up for the riders anthem. We ride dog, we ride dog, we ride dog. Damn right, we riding dog. We scrubbed out, we whipped out, we pinned out. Damn right, we riding now. Running with the guy to get a first play, can't see me. Tripping now, I'm under beat, I'm under beat. Did your boy get first? Yeah, no, don't think so. Still ride KTM till I go. 24/7, we blowing that smoke. Cause my goons ride too strong, yeah. We stay flexed out for the camera. You ain't gon' catch up to me when I put the hammer down. And we block past another spike. And I ain't no cockback, but I take your girlfriend on sight. And we riding down, and we riding down, and we riding down, we riding down, and we riding down. And we scroll down, we weird down, we bend down, and we riding down. Riding on that lumb, you know we got it made. Scrub paddy, gon' cut they in the way. Moto is my motivation. So gas up for that rider's anthem. We ride down, we ride down, we ride down, damn, we ride down. We scrub down, we whip down, we pin out, damn right, we ride. Okay, now it's hot right here in Tennessee. Catch me down at Muddy Creek, bustin' all those buns. Bitch, you can't do it like me. KTM on my dirt bike. Motor hoes I don't like. Two-stroke I ride. Mixing gas full light. Wind up the gate. Adrenaline pumping, I'm thinking about jumping and passing all these lanes. King of the whole shot, they call me Katrina, get right to the front of the lane. I'm whipping and dipping and diving these corners, no brakes, I need it from me. You know I'm on my grind, cause I be out here in the race. Trizzy getting never my first place. Always gonna shine on Sunday. 2-7 looking like Dunjay. Yeah, and you know about my paper, cause I be shredding cheddar like a damn, she's greater. Riding on that lumb, you know we got it made. Scrub paddy, gon' cut they in the way. Moto is my motivation. So gas up for that rider's anthem. We ride down, we ride down, we ride down, damn right, we riding down. We scrub down, we whip down, we bend out, damn right, we riding now.
All right, let's take a minute to reflect on that while I put stuff away here. That had to be the most exciting, fun, I don't even know the right words to say. As I'm challenging myself, flying different things, you know, flying, whether it's my D-Quad Obsession or whether it's the little what is this, the Flywoo Explorer. You know, I know each of these are going to fly differently. You know, they're built for different types of flying. But I did fly a little bit of this. I flew the D-Quad Obsession, and that was with, you know, I flew the D-Quad Obsession in the track simply because, you know, of how durable this thing is, especially with the aluminum cage on the top. You know, I did tell them, you know, in the event that it does go down, don't even worry about it. Just let it go down. Just let it stay there. I'll grab it at the end of that particular round or race or whatever it might be. Did not have any issues with it. It stayed in the air. although I did take my lens cover off because I've noticed in a lot of my videos I'm getting a lot of the TPU from the front, which means I'm gonna have to stretch my camera out just a little bit, maybe shave off some of the end of the lens cover. But anyways, back to what I was saying. That had to be the funnest thing that I've done as far as FPV so far. So you know, for, you know, those guys to allow me to come in there and, you know, expand my capabilities, I guess you could say, try out something new. It paid off. It felt great. I had a great time doing it, and I'm hoping the video that I got out of it they're going to enjoy, and, you know, they'll be able to put to good use. So, but aside from that, guys, I always ask, you know, that you guys, you know, all right, I don't even ask you guys, but after watching this, if you guys feel the need or the desire to want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe, you know, maybe like the video, whatever it is. But guys, I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. I'm going to keep expanding my abilities of flying these amazing machines, and until next time. Oh, what was this? Vlog day 4, or no, vlog day 5. Take it easy. No, wait, I did video yesterday too. I just haven't put that up. So this is technically vlog day 6. I just haven't posted 5 yet. So, well, by the time you see this, 5 should already be up, and this you'll be watching as 6. So take it easy, guys. Bye.